Welcome to the Bionic Pets video series of How to Do What We Do. This step-by-step series shows loving pet owners worldwide who can't come to us how to cast and fit orthotic and prosthetics for their pets. Bionic Pets offers a wide variety of colors for your custom device. Please indicate your color choice on the order form. The materials included in your casting kit are as follows: an order form, casting instructions, fiberglass casting tape, a cut strip, a pair of gloves, a stockinette, a clever cutter, and a pair of scissors. Hi, today I'm going to be going over the correct procedure for casting a custom carpal or wrist brace. Our most common injury is a carpal hyperextension. This is the carpus or wrist, and we want to completely encapsulate the entire leg from just below the elbow to the paw. I first start with our stockinette, and we're going to put this all the way up the leg. We do not want to get any hair caught in our fiberglass casting material, so we're going to have Rachel here hold the top of the stockinette so it doesn't slide down during the casting procedure. It's okay to have this hang off the end as well. Sometimes you get an open or closed toe stockinette. You're then going to apply your gloves. We're going to put the cut strip on the front of the leg. We also get either a 3-inch or 2-inch roll in the casting kit, or both. I'm going to use the 3-inch for this size dog, but every dog's a different size, so apply as needed. I am then going to dip the 3-inch casting tape into a bowl of water for 3 to 5 seconds and then wring it out, and then we can start to wrap the leg. I like to start just above the carpal joint, the wrist. I like to work down, and we're going to go all the way to the end of the toenails and then work our way up. It's also a good thing to encapsulate just to the elbow, just as an anatomical marker, so we know where to trim the brace when we get the mold in our office. And make sure to watch for all the fur, especially on this dog Shadow. He's got a lot of fur, and we want to make sure that we don't catch that in the casting tape. So I'm going to work myself all the way down. I like to have about 3 to 4 layers thick. One roll usually does just fine. Then I'm going to position the entire leg into a normal standing angle. You don't want to cast with a straight paw like this. You want a standing angle, so I like to bring that paw up. Also, this joint, the carpus, a lot of times is collapsed backwards, and we're trying to prevent that, so we want a pretty straight angle at the wrist. And we're going to hold this for about 3 to 5 minutes, wait till it dries, and then we're going to cut down the length of the cut strip. Shadow here is a really good patient. A lot of times you need 3 holders, and I would suggest that for every dog, but we're lucky here we only need 2. Good job. Make sure you also kind of rub in the fiberglass. That can help set up the fiberglass material. And just make sure you're always applying the pressure to the bottom of the paw and keeping that paw up. We may or may not make the custom wrist brace with the paw, but always cast with the paw so we have the choice to do so. And we're dry. You can now remove your gloves. We then use our clever cutter, and we start at the top and we go right down the front of the cut strip down to the end. We remove the cut strip, which can either be this yellow cut strip or surgical tubing. Sometimes we send surgical tubing. It does the same thing as the yellow cut strip. And then from there, you can remove the entire cast. Always make sure to add your pet's name to the mold and which leg we casted. And that's our custom carpal brace casting procedure.